has to wear a license. She has to wear it for your permit.
She's getting her ID, man.
Sure I can. Come on. Here, let's go. Come on.
No,
come on.
Officer, stop.
Come on.
Dude.
Come on. Come on.
Are you serious?
Come on.
Can I just get my ID?
Come on. I'm not.
Your ID.
Excuse me.
Don't resist. Don't resist.
For real. For real. For real. Here, let go. Let go. Let go.
Come on, man.
Can I just get
Are
my
you
ID?
serious? You can't give the girl a few minutes to get her ID, dude? Are you
He's not having it. Don't grab the purse.
Yeah, I'm grabbing the purse because it was in her possession at the time that I
No,
took her
if it was, then why don't you let you give her the purse?
Wait,
Step off. Step off. Step off.
Nothing better to do.
Nope.
Why?
Come on, bro.
Step off.
Don't push her.
Step off.
Wait, but where's the...
Come on, let's go.
Can you...
Come on.
Asshole, bro.
I'm not.
Excuse me.
Just don't.
You're under arrest now, too.
Are you serious?
Yes, I am. No,
What are you
you're done
doing
too.
right
Let's
now?
go.
What the fuck? What are you doing right now, sir? Please stop. I swear to God, please stop. Can you let me show you my ID? Please stop.
I'm telling you right now, you are under arrest also.
Stop. Please stop. I swear to God. Please stop. I promise you, I'm not doing anything wrong.
Climb up.
I'm right here, girls. I'm right here with you.
Climb up.
I promise you, I'm not doing anything.
Stop. Why you gotta be like this?
Go up. Do not.
Stop.
Stop fighting him. Stop fighting.
Stop.
Please stop.
You're acting
Hey,
weird.
stop
Go.
fighting. My dog is here.
I don't care. Go up. Go up. Go up. Go up.
Female officer, right now. Female officer, right now.
Okay.
Right now.
Sure.
Right now.
All the way over.
Right now.
Yep.
Right now.
You've been doing too much, dude.
Right now, dude. What is wrong
Go.
with you?
Step up.
It's okay.
Step up.
Ladies, I'm with you. Ladies, I stand with you.
Step up.
Go up. Maggie, go up. Maggie, just go. Maggie, go.
Come on, man.
Maggie, go.
Don't touch her. Don't
We want a
fucking touch
female
her.
officer right now.
Don't fucking touch her.
A female officer right now.
Are you serious?
Just stay
Go
up
up.
there. Stay up there. Stay up there.
Go
Just
up.
stay. Baby girl, just stay.
Go
A
up.
female officer right
Go
now.
up.
Right now. Don't touch
Go
her.
up.
No,
Oh,
female
right now. I want
officer.
All the way over.
Right now, bro.
All the way over.
Go with them.
All the way over.
Go with them.
Call your captain, bro.
I'm a woman.
Yeah.
I'm a woman.
All the way back to the boat.
Be on the boat.
Bro.
All the way to the back of the boat.
You guys are signed tape, right?
Hey, fuck you, bro.
I don't even know how to do
Captain right now, dude.
Sit.
No, call him. Slider here.
We want a
away.
female
Okay,
officer.
why? Why?
We want a
Because you
female.
wrong?
Go, sit
We
back
want
down.
a female
Go, sit back
officer.
down.
We
Call
want
the
a
captain right now, bro.
We want a female officer here now.
Sit down.
Female officer right now.
This is a gift. This is a gift. Don't listen. Don't follow instructions. Don't do what we're supposed to do. And lo and behold, here we are arrested again.
I understand what you're saying, but the videos, I never fed anybody under the age of 21 years old a drink.
Actually, you did.
No,
But that's
I did
okay.
not.
I'm going to take this off your head real quick.
I'm not getting involved. Right now, I just need you to sit on the floor. That way we can get back safely.
534. I'll be having 2 parking problems, Stewart Beach. 10-4, 534, that was parking problem, Stewart Beach.
Hat back on for you.
Okay, yeah, thank you.
It's the only way it's going to make it back with you.
Well, I'll hold it, thank you.
It's okay, just start over. Just start out. It's fine. It doesn't matter.
Is it gonna stay on my head? No.
Yeah. I'm not going to go very fast.
Okay.
15-5.
Okay, all the way down like your mom, please.
It's not my mom.
Okay, all the way down, please.
Like your mom. I got old. I look that old.
You're the one who told me that you were her mom.
No, I'm not her mom. That's my children are out there.
Okay.
My 6-year-old's out there.
I'll get a car. All right.
My mom?
They're mad. They're mad. Okay.
Oh yeah, they're gonna. Yeah, I wouldn't go over there.
What is super?
Yeah, I wouldn't go over there.
They're not gonna argue with him.
No.
I just wanted to know what happened. I'm just being stupid.
Nope, can you do it on your own?
Yeah, just a little bit.
Okay, I'm gonna take the cuffs off you, so I'm gonna take this off of you, and then I'm gonna put them right back on.
What's happening? Corporals? Good for the jacket to come off?
Yes, that's what I'm taking. You gotta take the cuff off first. Pop the jacket.
Alright, we're gonna transfer you onto.
Wait, so take the cup off now?
Ladies, these two gentlemen are here to transport you only. They have no vested interest in this case. It's me who does, alright? Don't give them a hard time.
Lay that one on.
That one on? Thank you. Fix my beard. I can see it. Yeah, like my beard is showing. It's so embarrassing. So much to fucking lose.
I'm just here. We're gonna go down to these cars.
How come they're not getting arrested? Because that's what basically I did.
I don't know what happened again. We're gonna come on this one.
So sorry. Literally, like in the middle of adopting a child.
Listen.
Like, you have no idea. I'm gonna fucking traumatize you next. Like, you have no idea. He's so mean. Like, what is he doing
I don't
right
know
now?
what happened. Okay, hop in. I'll help you. I'll turn the AC up for you guys.